What's up guys, Vlad from ESM Auto Live. I finally picked up another project for myself. It has been a while. I've been busy with work, getting a new place, moving, and a lot of other things. But let's take a look at my 2004 Dodge Neon SRT-4. Guys, I got this Neon for a really good deal. I got it for $2,900. It has a brand new clutch, spark plugs, all the oil changes, and a few other things, but it does also need some work. Another great thing about this Neon, it is completely stock, guys. No modifications, exterior or interior. You can even see the huge gap right here. It's still on stock ride height, not even lowered. Factory wheels. The only thing that's aftermarket on this vehicle is a subwoofer. The interior is in a pretty dirty shape, but other than that, everything here is good, other than a few tears on the seats, which we're going to take care of. First thing I'm going to do is take this vehicle to get a full interior detail. I used to do all of it myself, but because I don't have a garage anywhere to work out of, even though I have all the equipment to do it, I'm not going to be able to do it by myself, so I'm going to have to sublet this work, but it's not a big deal. Windshield is going to need to be replaced. You can see there's a large crack. If it was a chip, I'd be able to take care of it. Needs brand new tires, completely bald alignment. Definitely is going to need a good exterior detail. Hasn't been very well taken care of other than the basic oil changes. Alright guys, and the goal of this build is to bring it back to its original factory condition, although it's already in great shape and it's stock. We're going to really clean it up, get all the maintenance done, get all the cleaning done, and it's going to be a super clean, super nice SRT-4 Neon on the road again. You don't see those often because everybody modifies them or doesn't take care of them. You see a lot of ride style Neons on the road over there, but I mean, to each his own. Let's get this project started.